how to share videos from Reelshot to Instagram or TikTok. You've created an awesome video in Reelshot, and now it's time to share it with your audience on Instagram or TikTok. This guide will show you how to seamlessly export and post your Reelshot creations to social media. First, ensure your video is fully exported from Reelshot and saved to your phone's photo library. Tap on the export or share icon in the top right corner, choose your desired quality and tap on export to save it to your device. Since it requires a premium version to export the video, please follow the rest of the steps yourself. Next, open social media that you want to share, either Instagram, TikTok. In Instagram, tap on the plus icon and select Reel or Post. In TikTok, tap on the plus icon to create a new video. Select your exported Reelshot video from your camera roll. Add your captions, hashtags, sounds, and any other platform-specific edits. Then hit share or post to publish your video to your followers. Get ready for the likes. You've successfully shared videos from Reelshot to Instagram or TikTok. Expand your reach. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot social media tips.